Hi lovely people, welcome to my channel. Let's make the easiest bread gulab jamun recipe today. Here is a complete step-by-step recipe for you. Take 6 bread slices. Cut the edges. Grind well to make a fine powder. Discard the corners. Let's make a sugar syrup. Add 2 cups of water. Add 1½ cup of sugar. 2 green cardamom. Cook until sugar dissolved. Add pinch of saffron. Keep aside for cool down. Gradually add milk as needed. Make a soft dough. Make balls. Fry until golden brown on medium flame. This is very easy to prepare, and you will need a few ingredients. Soak into the sugar syrup. Rest it for 1 hour. Quickly make them and enjoy. Do give a big like to this recipe. Also please do share with maximum friends as possible. And hit the bell icon